People love to talk about certain aspects in synastry like they're good or bad, especially when it comes to attraction. But astrology is so much more personal than that.
Let's use Venus conjunct Mars, for example, because astrologers always love to talk about this placement and how great it is in synastry, but it really just depends on your guys' chart. So in my chart, I have Mars opposite my Jupiter. So when someone's Venus activates that, chemistry can feel really big, fast, exciting, full of possibility, but Jupiter expands everything and Mars wants action. So what I've experienced over and over with this is intensity without sustainability.
Big energy, big pursuit, and then inconsistency. And here's my Venus in Pisces. And another thing I've noticed about dating Pisces Mars is on paper that sounds perfect because it's the same sign, same romantic wavelength, but Pisces Mars often struggles with direction and follow through. So while the connection still feels beautiful, the action doesn't always match. Because my Venus is conjunct my descendant, Pisces Mars tends to land somewhere nearby, and it directly affects my sense of security and partnership. Even if there's attraction, even if it feels aligned, it hasn't worked for me, and that's the point. There are no universally perfect placements in synastry. There are only placements that work in context with your own birth chart. That's why I believe that getting a synastry reading is one of the biggest dating hacks, because you stop guessing about why something feels the way that it does. Start understanding if someone can actually meet you emotionally, romantically, and long term. If you want to take a look at your own synastry and decode your love patterns, book a reading with me on my page and I'll tell you all about it.